Hello, good evening everyone. We're here, we're live again. Diba? Kararating lang namin, galing kami. Nag-watch tayo ng movie, diba? Pero Tagalog yung movie namin. Pero for some reason, si Jasa, tinapos namin yung movie. Kahit hindi naman masyadong nanonood si Jasa. Pero dahil sa cold baga, inside the movie, it was cold. Look, she's wearing jacket. That jacket is from Tita Julie. And the leggings from Tita Julie. My sister. Yung mami ni Aina Chang. Do you miss Aina Chang?
Po ba, ma'am?
Ang dami niyang gamit po.
Ma'am.
Of course not. Because isa pong phone ni Mami. Hindi pwede. Kasi the other one, Mami's phone. You want Mami's phone? Where's Mami's phone? The other one. It's it's in your bag. Ayan. Medyo Oy. Oh, we have to say goodbye to live. Okay po? Okay lang? Okay, sige. But you have to say goodbye to live, okay? And you keep Mommy's phone? You wanna keep Mommy's phone? Ha? Ayan. Akala ko gusto niyo mag-live. Eto, pinapapasok ko yung keep niya yung phone ko. Kaya hindi po tayo muna mag-live. Easy na. I'm gonna put my phone. Yes, but you have to say goodbye na muna tayo, okay? Because sabi niya mag-live tayo. Ang talino ni Jasa, sabi niya mag-live kami. So, kinuha ko yung phone ko sa bulsa ko. Yung pala gusto nila makita kung nasa yung isang phone ko. Ayan. Ang talino. Say goodbye muna live. Mama, come on. Wave hands to everyone ata. And end the live and then put Mommy's phone in Jasa's bag. Alright? Can you do that? Okay? Mommy promised I will give Mommy's phone and put in Jasa's bag. Alright? Okay po. Can I sit beside you? Say goodbye live. Okay, wave na lang si Jasa. Mag-wave na lang. Can you wave to everyone? At papasok ko ito po yung phone ilagay ko sa bag ni Jasa. But Jasa wants to say goodbye to everyone. Sige na ba? Say goodbye everyone. Come on, say goodbye. You're going to say goodbye, right? How do you say goodbye? Wave hands. Come, bye-bye. Come on. Control yourself. Bye-bye na muna, bye-bye. You want Mommy's phone? Bye-bye muna. And I will give. Bye-bye muna tayo. Come on. Okay, you can have Mommy's phone. Ayan na, here we go. Get. Jasa. She have her own phone. Pero minsan gusto niya talaga ng phone ko. Okay. Say goodbye.
Tip.
Say goodbye live. I love you. Bye-bye na, bye-bye. Wave hands. Flying kiss ka. Flying kiss. Ayan. Sige po, paalam muna po kami. Bye-bye po. Control.
Mami,
Ha? You off the phone. Off muna ba? Off. This one off. This one. Press. Bye-bye muna. Press. Press muna.